Looking to increase the revenue from your London property and need an experienced local company to manage it for you? Here at StayinLondon, we offer full management. From taking professional photos, creating a listing, advertising on major platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com and vrbo, as well as housekeeping and maintenance support. All this from 12% plus VAT. You'll also have access to an online owner dashboard. We can track performance and book your own stays. We can list your property and start taking bookings in just a few days by following these 4 steps. Step 1. Onboarding. We collect property details, sign our contract, and take professional photos of your property. Step 2. Listing. We create a new listing or take over the management of an existing one, update it with content and features showcasing your property. Step 3. Availability and pricing. We open the calendar and turn on dynamic pricing for your property according to your requirements. Step 4 is going live. Using our software, we connect and distribute your listing on major global sites of your choice: Airbnb, Booking.com, and vrbo, to name a few. We're a small, local agent, and we can offer tailor-made solutions to make a London property work for you. Get in touch for a free valuation of your home, and let's make your listing a success.